Hi, it's Chris. In today's video, we're going to be talking about ultrasonic cleaners. We're going to describe what an ultrasonic cleaner is, what you can do with it, cleaning solutions for your ultrasonic cleaner, temperatures, and what temperature you want to set your ultrasonic cleaner at. As well, we'll be giving you some tips on how to make the most out of your ultrasonic cleaner. So come on, let's get cleaning. So the first part we want to talk about is what is an ultrasonic cleaner? So if in your occupation, your hobbies, or just a one-off project, you wind up having to clean articles that are really difficult to clean, you're using a brush or using a pick or something to try and get dirt out of the crevices, well, an ultrasonic cleaner is probably the ideal solution for you. So ultrasonic cleaning is a method of using a solution to break down dirt and clean objects. You can specialize your solution in your ultrasonic cleaner by using water and adding a detergent. Ultrasonic waves, usually between 25 and 42 kilohertz, pass through the solution in an ultrasonic cleaner, creating an effect known as an acoustic cavitation. Basically, microscopic vacuum-filled bubbles are generated and collapsed by the waves, which in turn create heat. Generally, 40 kilohertz is the best frequency for cleaning. The effect of millions of bubbles imploding is what causes the ultrasonic cleaner to work so well. So now we know how an ultrasonic cleaner works. So we'll talk about what type of things you can use in that. Ideally, an ultrasonic cleaner works best for removing grease, grunge, oils, things that would be preventing items from being clean, also anything that would stop paint from adhering to the finish that you want. We've gathered up a few different items to test in our ultrasonic cleaner. We have a silver chain, we've got a carburetor, we got a couple of pieces of engine metal that we need to get cleaned up, and we even have a few small brass parts that are from different types of stoves. So the next thing we're going to talk about is cleaning solutions. There's many different types of cleaning solutions you can use in your ultrasonic cleaner. It really depends on what type of item you're looking to clean as to what you can use. There's a lot of commercial products out there that are ideal, as well as there's many household products you can use for making your best cleaning solution. So your basic medium that you're going to be using is water, of course, and it's what you want to add to it. Anything from vinegar, dishwasher detergent, any of those type of solutions will work just fine in your cleaner. If you're using a commercial type cleaner, you're going to want to check the package that it comes in to see what the recommended temperature is for it. As well, you'll want to stay away from anything that may be possibly explosive, so you're not going to be using solvents and gasoline, of course. That would not be a good solution at all. So we're going to use our own mixture of 50% white vinegar and 50% water and add a few drops of dish soap. Depending on what you're putting in and how bad it is and how much cleaning you're going to require, you may need to change that to 20% detergent and 80% water. But I think today, for what we're doing, this will work out great. So the next thing we want to talk about is temperatures and what temperature you want to set your ultrasonic cleaner at. So most non-commercial cleaning solutions work best between 120 and 150 degrees Fahrenheit. So we're going to set ours today at 140 and see what kind of results we get. So our cleaner's up to temperature now, so now we're just going to load up our basket, lower it in, put the cover back on, and turn on the ultrasonic part. So our cleaner just turned off. Let's take that chain out and see what the results are. Oh, that's a very nice improvement from what it was. If you can remember, it was all terrible looking between the links and had no real shine to it. That's a definite improvement for sure. So now let's take the worst case that we've got here, and that's our carburetor. Let's throw that in and see how it does. So there, we just took a carburetor out of the cleaner and it looks really good. Pretty impressed at how well it cleaned it. Certainly did a nice job on it. And even the other pieces that we put in, they've come out really nice as well. So there you go. We're pretty happy with the results we got from the ultrasonic cleaner and the things we put into it today. Hope we've been able to show you how easy it is to use an ultrasonic cleaner and that it might be the ideal tool for your shop. It certainly is for ours. Thanks very much for watching. We'll see you next time.